Are you looking for an all-natural protein smoothie without the protein powder? I'm gonna be diving into my recipe on how to do that right now that I actually drink all the time when I'm trying to like bulk up, but I don't want those like artificial ingredients in the protein powder. So let's get right into the ingredients for this smoothie. Milk. This is gonna be probably the thing that has the most protein in it. I use whole milk, some ice. This is just gonna keep everything nice and cold. Make sure you get a ripe banana because that's gonna give it the right flavor. I'm using 2 dates here, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter here. You can totally use less or more if you want more protein. Rocky style, I'm gonna be using a raw egg, egg yolk, and egg white. Now this is where you can actually up your protein by quite a bit. And yes, it's raw, so make sure you get some high quality eggs that are really fresh. You got some cocoa powder. Believe it or not, there's actually protein in this, but this is gonna give it that chocolate flavor. The last ingredient I put in here is totally optional, but I like putting powdered coffee. And the reason why, this will just get you so amped up. Like seriously, if you want like a pre-workout that's totally all natural, because some of those pre-workouts, they'll mess you up. Sometimes I'll dissolve this first and then put it in, but let's go ahead and make my protein shake and have a taste test. I'm using a Blendtec blender. If you got a Vitamix, that also works. Oh my Lord. There is so much protein in this, you guys. Taste test time. That is like a peanut butter chocolate milkshake. Perfect if you want an all-natural protein smoothie without the protein powder. I'll put all the recipe details down below in the info box. Hit that like button. Comment below, what's your favorite type of smoothie drink after you work out? If you guys are new to this channel, subscribe and remember to follow me on Instagram, BenjiManTV. And if you guys want to see all my food videos, click or tap the screen right here. If you want to see my smoothie recipes, click or tap the screen right here. I love food. I know you love food too. Cook something delicious today. Did you even taste it?
Oh yeah, I tasted it.
How was it?
It was really good.
It's nice, Chris approved.
Okay, I'm done.